Now, it's no secret that the month of June is not the best month to buy sneakers. I mean, there's really not too much to talk about. So in this video, I decided to use eBay for the first time. eBay has been, honestly, one of the reasons why I am a sneaker collector to this day. I started collecting sneakers mainly like back in 2012, man, 2011. That's back when I was first getting my little bit of bread. Actually, you know, it was 2012. I started getting a little bit of bread. I got my first job, and then I started buying sneakers from eBay because obviously you didn't have to pay the exact price because it was bids, which means you can bid on releases, and it was so cool to me back in them days. But one of the main problems is they did not authenticate shoes. So I know a lot of OG sneaker collectors, I got a bunch of stories about how you got finessed, sold fakes, or sometimes people even got like totally different shoes or a box of bricks. This actually used to happen back in the day. By the way, this is not an eBay paid for video or anything like that. They did not pay $1, but this is my first time going through eBay and seeing the results. So I thought it was kind of cool. Now I went through the entire internet, man. I was very patient with this because it's not one of those sneakers I wanted to spend up a lot of dollars for. If anything, this is just more like one of those, this was like a sentimental cop, right? It's something I wanted to buy to kind of just like, I don't know, man, it just holds a special place in my heart. So I scavenged the net, and I want to shout out my boy Junebug, man, because Junebug, he went on eBay, right? When I was in LA. If y'all not tapped into my second channel, check out my second channel because, oh, hold on. I got my Agent Zero Gilbert Arenas sneakers autographed by Gilbert Arenas. He actually invited me to his house out in LA and signed both of my Agent Zero shoes. It's a whole vlog of me pulling up to his crib in LA, checking out the crib, him showing me some unreleased, never before seen Adidas, and of course, he signed my pair. That's fire. Anyway, I was out in LA and I was talking to Junebug, and he was really talking to me about how fire eBay really is. And due to like StockX and GOAT these days, I kind of forgot that eBay, they do their thing, man. So I decided to give them a shot, and let's see what happens. Bow, right there on the box, you can see eBay authenticity guaranteed, which is cool because you got that peace of mind or whatever it brings when you buying a sneaker that's not originally from the seller, right? Somebody's looking over this to make sure it's cool. However, this sneaker in particular did not come with a box. I know a lot of collectors out there, it gotta come with a box, but for me, I wear all my kicks, and once you see what shoe it is, you'll understand it's not that deep for me, bro. I didn't really need a box to go with it. Comes with a card that says authentic without a doubt. Oh, that's a lot of pressure to put on yourself. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna let y'all check that out. Authentic without a doubt, okay. I guess you can hold your phone over the eBay tag and you can see what went into them actually authenticating it, which is cool. That's fire too. But yeah, here we have the Nike Air Foamposite 1 Weatherman. Now let me talk my ish before y'all kill me in the comments, man. I know that this sneaker was not the most popular. I know that a lot of you might hate this pickup, but I gotta tell y'all why out of all Foamposites I went back and got this one. First of all, as y'all can see, Foamposites are pretty much indestructible, right? I mean, it's a solid shoe. Check out the outer sole. It's not bad at all. I bought this sneaker from eBay for only $150. It come with the authenticity guarantee sticker right here, but I bought this for only $150. That's after shipping, after fees of everything. And honestly, the shoe looks good. I mean, you can check out both outer soles. Look good to me. Check out the uppers, look good to me. This is a solid shoe. Now, if you guys don't know, a little history lesson, this sneaker actually came out 2013, August 31st, 2013, for the retail price of, I think, $245. This is back when Sniper Jones was only known for like, bruh, Foamposites. Every phone that came out, I had to get them, had to grab them, and this was no different from any other Foamposite. This one was really cool to me, man. I remember the rollout. I don't know if a lot of you guys remember, but Nike did a huge rollout when it came to these, man. They even did the Weatherman KD4s. I don't know if you guys remember the whole weather map they came out with. They had the Foamposite Weathermans. They also had the thermal maps, and last but not least, they had the Asteroid. So it was 3 different sneakers coming from the pack. They had the Global Game KDs. They had the Weatherman KD4s. It was like this big thing, and I was really in love with these. Colorway was crazy. I remember the lightning bolt on the inside, right? The whole idea of weather map on a sneaker plus the rings in 3M. All these rings right here are in 3M to make it even cooler. And Foamposites are coming back. I've dropped several videos on YouTube talking about detailing how Nike is trying to emphasize bringing the Foamposite back, okay? We getting the eggplant back next year. We getting the metallic red back this year. Not to mention, bro, last but certainly not least, they bringing back out the Galaxy Foamposite next year. And I think that Nike is really trying to lock in on the Nike Foamposite, and it's bringing me back to a place where it all started. And I just wanted to go back and grab some of these iconic passes that I let go of, because this one has sentimental value. I remember picking this up in 2013. I remember I was working a warehouse job, bro. I think I was getting paid like $500 a week. After paying my car note, paying my cell phone bill, I had exactly $300 to my name, and you better believe I went out and bought these Weatherman. That was before YouTube was even a thing. I didn't start doing YouTube until 2017. And yes, my priorities was terrible, I know, but that's how much these meant to me, bro. I didn't care about being broke. I didn't care about not having no money to eat. I just cared about having this Weatherman Foamposite. And I think when you really look at things like that, I don't care that these aren't reselling for thousands of dollars. I don't care that Foamposites are trash, man. When I see this shoe, I see that kid that wanted to start a YouTube channel back in 2013, the kid that, you know, really loved the Foamposite and would have done anything to get his hands on this. And I just love that. I honestly just love that. With that being said, that's why I don't care about it coming with a box, and it is warm, because I'm probably gonna wear these today, bro. I'm probably gonna wear these today, tomorrow, the next day. I don't know if y'all been tapped into my Instagram, which is linked down below. By the way, man, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Twitter's the best way to get at me, man. DMs are hectic, right? I get like hundreds of DMs every day. That's not the best way to get at me. Twitter though, Twitter a little bit different. If you add me on Twitter, I always get back to people and have conversations with anybody who got questions. So get at me on Twitter, but my IG is also linked down. Check out my Instagram. I'm posting a lot of pictures because my fashion is starting to change as well. Like, I'm back into the baggy, oversized look, the baggy pants, the bigger t-shirts, right? The oversized look, even jean shorts, right? Mix and matching different outfits, man. I'm telling y'all, if y'all, it's down below. Foamposite is another staple that just remind me of that time period, man, of when sneakers was really popping. And yeah, that goes into why I went out and I picked these up, man, in my honest opinion. In all honesty, I do think this was the beginning of the downfall for the Foamposite, bro, because when they came out with this and the success of this shoe, like, this is back when like Wale was very heavy into the Foamposite. I remember like it was yesterday, and like every pair that had dropped here, repost. It's not like that no more, right? It's a different time, obviously. It's a different place, and you know, the Foamposite slowly but surely coming back around, but I'm just happy that it's starting to get some love. And also, comment down below a sneaker that might not be that popular, but it means a lot to you. And also, I gotta say, shout out to eBay. For my first time using eBay, I would say that everything went great. I mean, like, the shoe was exactly as expected. I know it's real. It's kind of easy to fake a fake Foamposite. Like, the material that goes into a Foamposite and the way you have to make it with the carbon fiber, the actual foam on the upper, the plate at the bottom, it's easy to spot a fake, easy. I think eBay did a great job. I actually got these pretty quickly too. I didn't really have to worry about too much. I actually forgot I bought this shoe when I got a notification that it was already authenticated, which in eBay, it's fast, because StockX or Go, that would have took at least a week just to get to the authentication process. So, hey man, eBay good with me. If you guys want to try it out, like I say, all their shoes are verified. I think it gotta be like over $100 for them to authenticate it. But if it is over that $100 mark, man, they will make sure that it is coming through as described. So that really saves out on the headache of getting finessed. Man, what a time to be alive, bro. No BS, bro. I'm about to throw these on right now just for nostalgic purposes and look in the mirror, just because I finally got my Foamposite back. Comment down below, let me know your thoughts on my newest pickup, and please talk to me about, did you ever use eBay? Have you ever used it before? Do you like it better, or where does that rank among the other, because I still feel like they're still at the bottom of the totem pole when it comes to apps that people buy sneakers. I think StockX and Go is just at a place where it's a little bit more normal, or it's more pushed upon. But hey, do not sleep on eBay, man. You get some steals. Like I said, I bought this for $150. It's other things that I plan on unboxing very soon that they on eBay, and it's for the low. I rock with eBay, man. Let me know y'all personal experiences going through the app if you hate it or love it. But until next time, man, it is your boy Sniper Jones. Thank y'all so much for watching. Until next time, you know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though. Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.